everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to be updating you on my Bath & Body Works Project Pan. These are all the items I'm currently trying to use up from my Bath & Body Works stash. I actually did just do a collection video. I know you all had been asking, so I put it up last Wednesday if you want to go check it out. But let's talk about how I'm doing on my products I'm trying to use up. So the classic. Let's start out with the mineral bath soak. This one I'm just making slow and steady progress on. These had been month updates and this was a 2-week update, so I did get a little bit more use out of it than like these two, considering the time frame. I need to get more use out of this. I want this to be gone. I bought this at last summer's SAS, which is almost going to be a year ago. The top completely comes off. It's so nasty. I like this product, but it's totally not worth the price. I'm glad I probably got it for a couple dollars, to be honest. So yes, I'm going to hopefully not like be with this product for too much longer. It's going everywhere. This dang sticker, like this has just been beaten up. You can just tell, but I don't have that much left to go. So I'm hoping I can just power through this within like the next month and just be rid of it. It's like so sticky and everything. It's so nasty. So sticking with the shower theme, next I have my Comfort Vanilla and Patchouli. This is the body wash. This is like laughable progress, so don't come at me, but you know I'm not trying to focus on this one. I'm literally trying to focus on my other one. So I used it one time. What do I do? And I think I only used it one time for like shaving or like washing my arms, or like I didn't like do a full body wash with it for my one use I got out of it. I just like barely used it for something small. Hopefully before the next time, I'm almost done with my other ones, so then I'm gonna, you know, work on this one, so the progress should be better next time. Okay, next is my Cashmere Glow body wash. Here is where we are. I'm all the way right there at the bottom. I thought I could do it. I thought I could just finish it off, but I'm so close. Probably one more or two more showers and this will be gone. It's like, it's hanging on. It like won't let go, you know what I mean? If I tip it like upside down, it's like right over this marking right here. So it's like from here to the top. That's like how much is if I tip it upside down. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe like one or two more times and it should be done. And I'm so happy. Let's transition with the pocket bags. So I had in my stress relief pocket bag, and here are the progress updates on the side. It's going slow and steady. I only got a little bit left. I'm actually going to throw this in my purse that like I bring when we like go out shopping and stuff, because that's truly when I use the most hand sanitizer. I mean, because we both use it. I'm like using some, then my boyfriend's using some. We go to multiple places, we use a bunch, you know what I mean? So it makes more sense to put it in there. I don't know why I didn't put it in there before, but honestly, it should be done by the next update because I'm gonna put it in my purse. And then I'm actually gonna roll in this one too because I'm almost done with it as well. This is the Twisted Peppermint. I'm using this one at the current time in my purse because I'm not a peppermint person. Like it's pretty strong peppermint. The peppermint, like you can definitely smell it, lingers. But here's where I am on it. This is the one I currently had in my purse. It's just the one we've been using like during our pandemic grocery shopping, I guess you could say. So yeah, I've gotten that much through it and I'm like, why don't I just put this one in there too? So I'm gonna put both of those in there, and then hopefully within the next month both of them are gone. I would love that. And then for body lotion, I have in my Snowflakes and Cashmere from this past Christmas. Here are the updates on this. It's going pretty steady. I have a little bit less progress this time than the past time, just because I'm really working hard on my body cream, so I'd use just a little bit less. I think this should ramp back up though, so maybe a couple more updates and this will be done. Maybe like a month, maybe not even. So yeah, I'm gonna get back into this, but I was really trying to like focus on my body cream so this wasn't getting as much attention, but I'm coming back to this. Just my legs prefer the body lotion. The cream just doesn't sit as well on my legs, and I don't know why, but I'm happy to use the body lotion on them and go through them, so I don't really care. Most exciting, the most exciting is my body cream. I almost forgot what this is called. This is the Comfort, same as my body wash. You possibly may have seen in my collection video that I cut this open. So I cut it open, I cleaned it all out. It's black on the inside, as you can tell. Yeah, so I cleaned it all out. I will admit, I did cut it open a little bit prematurely. So I put all the leftovers in my empty Bum Bum Cream jar. Here is where I'm currently at. It's like fairly empty. It was all the way to the top when I emptied it, or like when I cut this open, it filled the whole entire jar. And this is 2.5 ounces, I want to say. Yeah. It even had a little bit extra that I like scooped out and used right away on my body. This is so thick in here. It just shows like how thick the body creams really are, which I'm not complaining. I absolutely love the body creams. So I don't think this is gonna last me too much longer. So yeah, I'm not gonna roll in. Like, this will definitely be done by the next update. I'm not gonna roll in a new body cream yet, because I'm thinking once I finish this up, I'm gonna take that opportunity to like rotate through my body creams and really get some use out of all of them, because I think that would do me good. I'm really just gonna show some love to all my body creams once I finish this, and then I'll go from there and choose which one I wanna work on for the next little segment of this project. So that is everything I have for today's update. I'm thinking we will have 1, 2, maybe 3 empties in the next update, so it's going to be very exciting. Unfortunately, no empties today, but I was kind of focusing on like a weird combination of things, and so I didn't get anywhere. But like, the body cream is almost done. This will definitely be empty. Hopefully one of the pocket bags will be empty as well, so I think it's going to be an exciting update next time. So that is all I have for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.